Welcome to Ollama. The homepage at ollama.com is your entry point into the Ollama ecosystem. Right away, you'll see that Ollama focuses on making large language models accessible locally and in the cloud. The design is simple. It introduces the tool, highlights what models you can run, and emphasizes privacy, control, and flexibility. From the homepage, you can quickly navigate to resources like documentation, downloads, the model library, or the community. In short, it's a clean gateway to everything you need to get started with Ollama. Ollama library. Next is the model library, found at ollama.com/library. This is where you can explore the different large language models available for use. Ollama provides popular open source models such as LLaMA, Mistral, and Phi in different parameter sizes to fit your hardware. Each model page includes details like capabilities, recommended use cases, and commands to pull them into your local environment. This library makes it easy to discover, compare, and install models so you can start experimenting right away without needing to search across multiple sources. GitHub repository. Ollama is open source, and the heart of development lives on GitHub at github.com/ollama/ollama. Here, you will find the source code, installation instructions, issue tracking, and contribution guidelines. If you're a developer, GitHub is the place to report bugs, request features, or even contribute directly to the project. You can also explore example code, scripts, and discussions from the developer community. Following the GitHub repository keeps you up to date on new releases, updates, and the technical roadmap. Discord community. Community is at the center of Ollama's growth, and the Discord server at discord.com/invite/Ollama is where that community thrives. On Discord, you can connect with other developers, ask technical questions, share projects, and learn best practices. It's also a space where you will hear about the latest news and upcoming features directly from the team. Whether you're troubleshooting, collaborating, or just curious about what others are building, the Discord community is a valuable place to stay connected. Documentation, Ollama Docs. For in-depth guidance, head over to docs.ollama.com. The documentation covers everything from installation and setup to advanced topics like creating model files, integrating with APIs, and optimizing performance. Each section is clearly structured with step-by-step instructions and code examples. The docs are written for both beginners who want to get started quickly and advanced users who want to customize and fine-tune their workflow. It's the go-to resource whenever you need authoritative instructions on Ollama. Ollama Cloud. In addition to running models locally, Ollama offers cloud services available at ollama.com/cloud. This option is designed for teams and enterprises that want scalable managed LLM hosting. With Ollama Cloud, you can offload heavy compute requirements to the cloud while still maintaining the flexibility of model choice. It's ideal if you want the convenience of cloud hosting, team collaboration, or enterprise integration without losing the open source spirit of Ollama. And that's a quick tour of Ollama from the homepage and model library to GitHub, Discord, documentation, and cloud services. Together, these resources form a powerful ecosystem that makes experimenting with and deploying language models both simple and flexible. Thank you for watching, and keep continuing to explore, innovate, and build amazing AI experiences with Ollama.